What's up guys, Brian with the SoCo Customs YouTube channel. We sent this 2011 Chevy Tahoe up on the Rough Country kit. But first, those of you returning, you know the drill. Make sure you click that bell symbol so you don't miss out on any of the content that we are producing. Click the thumbs up button. Be a friend, tell a friend. For those of you that are brand new here, make sure to click the thumbs up button. Make sure to click subscribe, click the bell. And make sure to comment below because it does help push us to the top, helps our analytics, and gets it in front of eyes just like yours. Lego.